tried this for the last week, and here are the things that you'll need to know. What you're gonna do is you're gonna take this and this little ball mount, okay? You're gonna push this in. Make sure this isn't screwed on yet, all right? Just place it on there, push that in, all right? And then, so the first one's gonna be, we're gonna go into the CD player. Okay, so you're gonna push this down, put it into your CD player, twist. And there's like a little spring that's opening up, and that's why it's holding it so well. All right, we're gonna go for a drive in a second. Option 2, vent mount. Now let's mount it on here. Just unscrew that little nut and then pull that out. And then you literally take this little nut, put it back on here. So for this one, you're gonna do the same thing. Just place that on there, push that in. I would go ahead and tighten this down while you have it out. And then all you're gonna do is put this little spring back and then wind this into place, right? So we're gonna put this in here, like that. Oh yeah, that thing is on there for sure. And we can just put it in here, give it a squeeze, be on the road. Let's go test drive this thing. And y'all, when I tell you that I live on the bumpiest road because I live in Louisiana, it will hold on this road. That's saying something. Oh, wow. Y'all can hear the road, right? Look. So on a regular road, y'all see that thing is not moving at all. Yes. You guys, if that one will hold on, we know the other one's gonna hold on. It's rare that I would give more than 5 stars to a product, but I'm gonna have to give it to this one for 2 reasons. 1, hopefully y'all could really see how stable that mount is. And 2, I love the options, okay? Because if I'm on a long trip, I'm gonna put it here. So I just feel like all that, you know, if it were moving, I would just put it here. I think I'm gonna leave it in both places so that I have options to mount it. Just walking up and press that button. It has this quick release right here. You press this and then it opens, and then you can just pull down like that to accommodate your length of phone. These silicone bumpers on both sides and on the back, which holds it really steady so it's not moving around, also doesn't scratch your phone. It does not block the charging port, so you can still charge it while it's mounted. One of my favorite things about this though is if you're the kind of person that you travel a lot, you're in and out of a lot of rental cars, you can take this with you in and out. It's not permanent. You can just pull it out, mount it, remount it, and getting the phone in and out literally could not be simpler. Guys, when you're tired of the phone in your cup holder or watching it bounce up and down on your other mount, just get this, because this is going to be the smoothest ride that your phone has ever had.